How to spot phishing and verify official contact in Geico. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure you protect yourself from digital scams by skipping the search engine entirely. Securely access your account by downloading and using Geico mobile app, visiting geico.com, or by calling and storing the number of Geico in your phone book, which is 800-207-7847. This is the number. Make sure you save, and if anybody calls by claiming Geico, make sure you don't pick up unless it is the number from your contact. And there are many fake websites and phone numbers. Make sure you verify them before going to the website, as Geico.com and Geico mobile app is only their web and app version. And you also find text message scams, so make sure you don't click on any of the links sent as Geico. And you also find phone call fraud. Make sure you scan the caller ID and check if it is really Geico, as you already have your number saved. Make sure the call is only from that number and not from any other numbers. To protect, you can add two-step verification as well. And this is how to spot phishing and verify official contact in Geico. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.